Hey guys, how you doing? This is former Liberty Graphic Designs, and today I have a very cool video on creating reusable gift wraps or something like that. Don't go anywhere. Christmas is around the corner, right? And usually we hand out gifts like this, you know, in a little nice bag, or we wrap them up, and then, you know, whoever you give it to, they get out of the bag, and it's pretty cool. You take this bag, some people reuse them, some people save it for the following year, but most of us, we just throw it away. So I'm gonna make some that are gonna be reusable so you can use them over and over and over again. So that's what we're going to be doing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sublimate some regular polyester fabric. We're going to sew it into a small bag. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I think it's going to be pretty cool because, you know, we can reuse it over and over and over. And it's because it's fabric, it'll last quite a bit. Okay, so as you can see, it's just regular fabric. And this is fabric that we got for the t-shirts. You can also use spandex. Spandex actually works better. Okay, so what you see me doing right now is I'm just laying down the fabric, and what this is going to be, this is actually going to be the inside of the bag, and then we're going to sublimate, obviously, both sides. So whenever you're sublimating something like this, like strips like this, the machine seems to be running kind of slow, but trust me, once you get, you know, to start lining everything up, you'll find out that it's not that slow. So once these are sublimated, they'll come out underneath the machine, and then the actual print for the front will be, you'll see it in a little bit, and then we'll be sublimating that. So see, now the sublimated ones already came out, so now these ones are going to be facing up to sublimate, in this case, the underside, but that will become the side of for the bag. I'm trying to hurry because even though the machine seems to go kind of slow, when you're doing this, you'll find out that it's not really slow. Okay, so now you'll see the printed fabric will come out on the bottom right here, and then all I got to do now is kind of lay it on top now and sublimate the other side. So now all I got to do is wait for them to basically come out, right here, and they'll be done. And then we can start sewing them together. This is the back side. That's what you saw at the beginning. And that will be the front. And these are going to be small bags. They're not going to be really big. It's just for very, very small things. I mean, not that small, but it's going to be a small. It's going to be like a 6 by 12. So now that we have them all printed, all we got to do now is sew them together. And remember, the side that you want it to be out, you have to fold it on the inside. In this case, that's going to be the inside, right, on all of them, and the outside is going to change on every single one of them. And I know people's going to ask me, can you make them reversible? You could. I'm going to use a serger, so the serger, you're going to be able to see the thread. But if you want to make them reversible, then you have to use a different type of sewing. But no, in this case, it will be just single-sided. So, just like that. Just like that, and then when you sew, you know, the serger is going to leave that little tail right there. Don't cut it, just leave it like that. It's going to be on the inside. You do have to cut the one on top though. because we're still gonna do some more. We're gonna do a hemming on this one. So again, that's the inside. We're gonna flip it inside out. There you go. You got your little bag. So that's what that one's gonna look like. And again, this is gonna be like a 6" by 12 inches once we do the hemming, just like that. So we're gonna do the hemming, and then it'll be a small bag like that. Let me make this little Christmas tree. Okay, so now what we gotta do is just put a hem on the end of the bag, or on the top. Just like that. So that'll close the top. Okay, so now that we got our bags, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get a piece of string. In this case, this one is actually elastic. You don't have to be elastic. You can get some whatever string it is that you want to get. Tie it. And then what I did is I went to the local farmer's market and I bought some handcrafted soaps. This is goat's milk. See if you can read it right there. And this is going to be for like my mother-in-law, my wife, my sisters, sister-in-laws. And we just put it right there, right? You can take your string and you can just be creative on this one, right? And tie it whichever way you want to tie it. Just so people don't be looking in there. Just like that. So this one, we just put the whole bag in there. Tie a string to it, or you can even leave it like that if you want. Let me put this in here so you guys can get a better idea. Where's the little tree? I like this little tree one. This little Christmas tree. Just like that. And the good thing about this is that you're gonna have a bag, small bag for a small gift that you can use and reuse as many times as you want to. So I think it's a good idea. Let me put this one in there again. If you want to put, like for example, if you have kids and you want to put your kids' faces in there for grandma, you know, and stuff like that, you can. This is a really good, I think this is a good gift idea. Now, especially with the bag being sublimated on the outside and the inside. So that's a really nice touch. Whenever you guys close them, you know, kind of show the inside as well. You don't have to hem this because this is actually polyester. So when, like for example, I cut it with the laser. If you laser cut it, it actually fuses together, so it won't unravel. But if you cut it with scissors, yeah, go ahead and hem them together. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so and ding the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, guys. It was a pleasure like always. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye now. God bless you. We'll see you later. Adios now.